Hello and welcome to our first Max scripting video tutorial. This is Andras Onodi, CEO of Zoa Architects. And the script we are going to talk about today is Zoa's Teamwork script, which is, I think, the most sophisticated Max script we have ever written. It was mainly written by Andras Miklos Balog. For this demonstration, I have prepared a small Max file, which you just see on the screen right now. And on the left side, there is the layer manager, and you can see all the layers here. You should actually see a description below this video how to exactly or properly name your layers in order to for the teamwork script to work properly. We have a camera layer, we have an environment layer, exterior layer, and if you have read the description below, then you will have probably noticed that the teamwork script itself implements sophisticated sublayer system, and in order for that to work, we have actually these three layers, which is an exterior layer and an exterior lights layer, an exterior office layer. You will see how the teamwork script copes with that in a couple seconds. So we have an interior layer and a Windows layer. Now, if I start the teamwork script, then what we get is this. The user interface is quite simple. You have pass on the top, a couple options on the left side, and the commands on the bottom of the whole user interface. And this is actually the control of the whole thing that is going to happen. This is all the layers. And now what you can notice is that you have drop-down lists, which corresponds to layers which are on the left side. So we have an exterior layer, and beneath that we have an exterior lights layer and an exterior office layer. In order to work properly with the teamwork, we use map network drives. W is actually your working drive. But what we're going to do now is to see how you can start working with teamwork, which is the first phase to save your work, which I'm going to do right now by specifying a directory. This is a temporary, let's say, teamwork sample max file layers. This is the place I'm going to export all my layers inside of this scene. On the left side, you have this area, which actually helps you to select the proper checkboxes on the right side of the window. You could actually select all, select none. You can select the layers of the objects that are just being selected in your screen. You have the smart checkbox, which helps you select the sublayers of specific main layers independently. If you have the smart checkbox checked, then you can actually check all the sublayers of specific main layers at the same time. We have an expand command for the whole stuff. You can push all or you can push none. What we are going to do now is save all the layers at the same time to this specific directory. I will push save on the bottom, and there is this neat warning message. If I really want to do that, yes, I want to do that. And it actually saves all my layers. Let's just wait a little bit. And now what we get is the directory here, and we have all the layers saved to the specific place. Now somebody out of the team wants to render exterior pictures, I'll just reset the whole thing. I don't need this anymore. I don't need the script window either because I want to start from scratch. Let's start this window now. I will specify the directory where somebody else out of the team saved out all the layers, which is of course the same sample max layer. It probably won't be drive C, but a map drive, as I told you before. I press a refresh, and what I see now is that these are all the layers that I have saved in advance, and it says that in the scene I have layer 0, which is the basic layer. It's always there, and in the folder I have these layers over there, but I don't have any in the scene, which is of course what we are at the point right now. And for exterior renders, I will need a camera, I will need an environment, I will need all the exterior layers. Smart is checked, so all the sub layers are selected with it. I won't need any interior layers, but I need the window. So I just push merge. Before I do that, I will check on the left side the materials in merge options, which is put to ask right now, which is quite heavy at the time. If you're merging 6 layers and you will have to push, yes, I want to use the scene layer right now, so I'll just push it, use the scene layers, which will actually use the first merged materials in a name conflict. Push, merge, and wait a little bit. It actually merges all the layers one by one to the scene. And what I see now is that I have all my layers except the interior layers inside my scene. But what if I change something? Let's have a look back at my sample max file layers directory, and I see that I have all the layers here. Now when I change something, let's say there is these roof towers, I'll put new material to it, and I want to resave it. I don't even know which layer this is on, but I just have to push selection, and it says that it's on the exterior layer. I want to save this layer again. They asked me if I really want to do it. Yes, I want to do it. If I go back to my directory, I see that a new temporary directory has been created, and the exterior layer that was one directory above, which was here, was saved or copied or moved over to this directory, and there was a prefix set in the back of it. And there is a new exterior layer which was saved 3 minutes later, which is just what I saved recently. If I save this again, just selection, save, yes, then go back, and I will see that there are already 2 of the exterior layers in the temporary directory with different dates, and this is the newest, which was saved at the same moment. So these are the basic functionalities, but I would suggest, if you have any questions, please contact me or András Miklos at the shown email addresses, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.